Hello everyone, I'm doing my unboxing that I got from Glitter and Craftz for you. They have a sale going on. They have their Christmas molds on sale right now. I didn't get just Christmas molds. I got a couple other molds as well, and picked up some more chameleon powders and some glitters and stuff. This is a druzy earring mold. But their Christmas molds are the ones that are on sale right now. And they also have a sale on their 4-ounce bags of glitter. So if anybody's needing glitter or Christmas molds right now, go check them out. I saw some other cute molds and I couldn't pass up, so. This one's going to be the fun, fiddly one. Trying to get resin down into the tiny little bits there. But it's a spider web heart. I'll do regular resin and just let it sit, and hopefully that'll work itself out. This one, because I like camping, and yes, I'm old, so I camp in an RV now. I used to, we used to always tent camp, but now that I'm older and disabled and stuff, so we camp in an RV. So we have, a bed and an actual full-on bathroom. With the shower seat and all the jazz. So I got this. I thought it would be cute. Make my own little RV keychain, camper keychain. And this is supposed to be so you can, if you're making straw tops and you have some that are too big for the holes, this is to prevent it from falling down into the hole, and you can adjust the straw top to prevent it from falling down into the holes of different lids. So this is supposed to help prevent it from going down into the lids. So I thought this was a cool, it's called a straw adapter. Thought this would be cool since I am starting to make a few tumblers, and I have some tumblers that are going to be in the makes soon. Now on to some of the chameleons. Never have enough chameleons. This one is fairy dust. Trying to get the different colors there to show. And this one's an opal one. This is Calypso opal. Probably not going to get the And this one was, I got a gram of this one and only a 1/4 gram of this one. So that's why there's, you know, less amounts in there. And then I got a gram of Fierce Ambition. Sorry, I'm trying to get my hand up here to. Get the color shifting. Pardon me. Early morning and sinus drainage. And of course, some more Anaconda. I used up quite a bit in the Cobra and the Medusa that I made. So I had to get some more of this. Doesn't always want to get the color shifted here. It's hard to get sometimes on the angles, trying to get the angle just right. Light green to dark green. Kind of sort of a goldish color too. It's really, really, really pretty. It's one of my favorites. Especially works great for anything reptile or dragon. And then we have Siren Song, which is a purple green. Purple and green. That one did it really well. And then this is another opal. So it's probably not going to show well because it's only a 1/2 gram or 1/4 gram in it too. But these also do the different colors depending on, you know, what you back them with. Put these back in here. And then we have some Microdust Sea Blossom. And this is a glitter. Look at that hollow glitter. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. And then we have Microdust Sparkling Rose. And it's another holographic one. And then we've got some hollow gold dots. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All those colors. I want to say thank you so much, Miss Patty. These are gorgeous. And these are hollow turquoise dots 1mm dots. These are going to work perfectly. Some of these colors are going to work great on some of the tumblers and stuff that I'm going to be doing for my granddaughter. Oh, look at that. And these, yes, the mermaid. This is actually mermaid shapes. I'm going to definitely be using a couple of these. I got the hollow green and hollow poison purple. Look at those. I got to get some of these out. Look at these. They are just too cute. I have to get one of these out to show you. Look how cute. So when I get around to doing her tumbler, I am definitely going to be adding these on there because she wants a mermaid tumbler. And I have a wrap that I got from Butterfly Lane Designs that is going on it. And I've got some of these glitters that are going on there and some of these the micro glitters, the millimeter dots, as well as these mermaid that are going on it. Isn't that just too cute? I'm going to use the purple one as well. I'll get one of those out here in just a second. Let me put this one back before I end up dumping the whole bag out everywhere. Put it in, zip it back, because I know how clumsy I am. Make sure the bag is sealed proper. Oh, those colors. Because there is going to be more than one tumbler. I have, I think 2 or 3 different colored ones she picked. And I think 2 of them are going to be mermaid, but they're different colors. So. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you again, Patty. These are awesome. Come on, get down in there, all the way down in there. And she even sends little scoopers for the glitter and the powders and stuff if you need the extra little scoopers and stuff. And a nice thank you note, too, I got from her on my little invoice over here to the side. Awesome, awesome stuff. Thank you, Miss Patty. I can't wait to get started on these. Which I'm actually hoping I have one side project I'll be working on, hopefully getting finished. And I do want to try and get started next week on her tumbler. So hopefully I will be able to have everything out of the way and get that done and worked on. And just for reference size, for those that are curious, this is one of the bags of that I bought the last time. I've used some out of it, but this is a 4-ounce bag of glitter. This is the size that 4 ounces of glitter that you get for reference, you know, that she has on sale right now on her site. So check out her molds, check out her glitter, check out her chameleons and her super chameleons. They are awesome. Again, it's Glitter and Crafts for You. I will make sure I have the link on there. I'll add it on the screen and I will add it in the description. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to check out in the description. I have my shout outs will be in there. You all have a good one and a good weekend because it is Friday. Thank you. Bye-bye.